like 10 minutes.
What a gentle fight.
Yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
Luna, not again.
Are you good? I need my jacket.
Get out.
Go.
I know you're about to bite me.
Yeah. Meow. Meow.
The cat is broken.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
Wait, Oh!
Whisper. Is our cat is outside too.
Oh my god!
The choice is yours.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Oh, my cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Oh, she really stuck, G.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight! I love you.
You scared? You don't seem scared.
Oh my!
De conformidad con las últimas teorías.
Come on. High five.
Excuse me?
You gotta lay it down.
Can you say gato?
Oh, can't you see?
Princess! You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
the store.
She will soar into the heavens.
Go.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Whoa! It's pistachio ice cream.
Who the fuck is this?
What can I get for you?
Oh my god.
You okay? Was that catnip too much for you?
Do it.
John, how's 2022? Oh, what? Oh, okay.
Ma'am.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Why did you do that?
Guys.
Который готов взять себе животное домой.
I'm not helping you. You're screwed.
Oh my god!
That? Pull the lever, Kronk. Run, lever!
Cinder, no.
It's broccoli.
Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
Hello? Where did he go? Oh!
You are a fox. Phony.
¿Te lo doy de la Vicky?
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
You wanna go out? Hold on. Wanna go out?
No matter what I do.
Easy surprise.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься? Oh no.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
Come on, guys. Okay. Kane, let's go.
Oh no.